ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦੀ ਆ ਕੁੜੀ ਦਾ ਪਤਾ ਕਰੋ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਪਿੰਡ ਦੀ ਆ ਕਿਹੜੇ ਸ਼ਹਿਰ ਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ ਆ ਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ MTV ਅਨਪਲੱਗਡ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ 8 ਦੀ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਆ खुली जो आँख तो वो था न वो ज़माना था खुली जो आँख तो वो था न वो ज़माना था दहकती आग थी दहकती आग थी तन्हाई थी फसाना था खुली जो आँख तो वो था न वो ज़माना था
Everybody, जोरदार तालियां. So, sir, how does it feel? MTV Unplugged. How was the experience like?
पहले तो थैंक यू जग्गी पाजी का
वहाँ पे
थैंक यू पाजी क्योंकि मेरे लिए ये प्लेटफॉर्म मेरे लिए ये एपिसोड करना है बहुत बड़ी बात है मेरे को इतना ज़्यादा गहरा गाना नहीं आता और मेरा थोड़ा जो म्यूज़िक है वो सिंपल कॉम्पोजिशंस हैं सिंपल लिरिक्स हैं जो मैं लिखता हूँ बट ये शो में आके मुझे ये पता चला कि मेरे को और सीखना चाहिए So, but thank you everybody at MTV for giving me this opportunity कि मैं अपने ही गानों को एक अलग तरीके से कंपोज कर सकूं, अलग तरीके से गा सकूं, ताकि जिस ऑडियंस ने वो गाना सुना है उनके तक वही गाना डिफरेंट तरीके से कैसे पहुंचाया जाए और मैंने पुराने एपिसोड्स देखे MTV के जो पिछले सीजन्स थे और आई थिंक ऑडियंस एक्सेप्ट करती है अगर आर्टिस्ट कुछ अच्छा करने की कोशिश करता है अपने पुराने गाने के साथ ही सो हमने भी ये कोशिश करी है एंड इंक्लूडिंग उसके साथ हमने एक नया गाना इंट्रोड्यूस करा है दैट्स एक्सक्लूसिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ MTV Unplugged सीजन 8 एंड वी लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू इट एज वेल सो थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी थैंक यू सो मच
बट गुरु भाई आई थिंक एक गाना तो बनता है
कौन सा
1 minute I'll just open my phone and see. I have all your songs, by the way. So, how about आप decide करो आप.
I'll sing any song. I'll sing the one we did for MTV Unplugged. I'll sing Lahore अपनी गानों की लिस्ट में से. So I want everybody to sing with me if you can. Otherwise, you can hear it. I sing nicely. ओ लगदी लाहौर दी आ जिस हिसाब ना हसदी आ ओ लगदी पंजाब दी आ जिस हिसाब ना तकदी आ कुड़ी दा पता करो केड़े पिंड दी आ केड़े शहर दी आ ओ लगदी लाहौर दी आ ते मैनू MTV Unplugged सीजन 8 दी लगदी आ
Please give me a huge round of applause. I'd request you to stay on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd now like to invite the true scholar of music with her velvety voice, Rekha Bharadwaj. Firstly, Rekha ji, welcome. And what was your favorite point of doing this time season? What was your favorite moment?
My favorite moment was when Jaggi told me I can do 2 of my original songs. And I played those songs to him like that. This is what I want to release and do you think? And he said, we have to do these. So that freedom and also when he told me that I can design, produce, everything is on me, so nothing better than that.
How nice. Thank you so much. Please give it a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, we have the indie trio of the Kakkars. Music runs in their blood and they run high on the charts. From that trio, ladies and gentlemen, we have Sonu and Tony Kakkar. Please give them a huge round of applause for Sonu and Tony. So, if I had to give you, this is like your rapid fire, right? So, if I had to give you no time and say, describe this season in 3 words, what would it be?
First would be magical. Second,
Surila, of course.
and fresh. Yes,
Fresh.
absolutely.
No. It's MTV Unplugged. 3 words.
So magical, M magical, T Tony, and V is victory.
V. Johns.
I like how Guru said that, you know, all his lyrics are simple. He just simplified it for everybody. It's absolutely amazing. Thank you. But thank you, guys. Thank you. Please give them a huge round of applause. Coming up next, now, we have a true inspiration to many young and aspiring musicians of today. Ladies and gentlemen, Jonita Gandhi. I've seen you perform on stage and you're like a total rock star, right? Total rock star. I've seen like it's insane the kind of energy that you bring out there. Do we get to see some part of that rock star also in this season? Yeah?
Yeah, definitely. The song that I've sung is actually a mellow song, but our arrangement is peppy, and I couldn't hold myself back, as usual, from snapping my fingers and getting the audience to do the same. So,
How nice. Thank you so much. Please give Jonita Gandhi a huge round of applause, everybody.
Thank you.
Next, we have the enigmatic Amit Mishra rocking the Bollywood playback scene along with the live scene. Please give me a huge round of applause. Namaste, sir. How does it
Sir,
feel?
how are you, sir? Kaise aap? Nice to
Yes,
see you.
please give me a huge round of applause one more time. And, sir, बताइए, what was your favorite moment? Favorite moment? ऐसी कोई story है ऐसी मतलब you know when you were doing this season?
So, you get a chance to sing, I've got the chance to sing in this season 8, the song called O Meri Laila. So I just requested, I really like this song because of, it's composed by Mr. Joy Barua and here in MTV Unplugged, Mr. Kalyan Barua have arranged it. It was super fun to work with him. So it was just like the confirmation from Jaggi sir for this. Thank you so much, sir. It's been always an honor to be on production.
How nice.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you
Please
so
give me a huge round of applause, everybody. Ladies and gentlemen, now for this next gentleman who I'm about to call, I know the crowd's going to erupt. He is the evergreen king of melody. Ladies and gentlemen, Sonu Nigam.
Hi everyone.
Sir, I have a few questions to ask you. Firstly, आपने यहाँ पे, you know, you've done multiple seasons, you know.
Your second name actually. Yeah.
हाँ. तो you've done multiple seasons. What is so brilliant about this season this time?
मैं आपको बताता हूँ. This is the root cause of all of this is ये जो बैठा है ना जग्गी. He's a very talented person and his the zeal to get the best out of people and to organize everything, convince us, work on the songs is impeccable. आप यकीन नहीं मानेंगे. मैं जब I didn't do any rehearsal. मैं उसी दिन आया 2 बजे करीब निकला था. मैं 2:30 बजे पहुंच गया. बाइक में आया था मैं फेरी से. I'm telling you, this guy was doing my rehearsals. When I reached there, he was singing the ghazals, and I was so happy to see someone who knows what he's doing. I haven't been, you know, and he was singing the songs, lyrics याद, arrangement क्या है, कहाँ पे कौन सा गिटार है, उसको पता था पहले मुझसे. जी.
बताना चाहूँगी वो ये कि मैंने सीज़न 1 किया था MTV का. रंजीत बरोट हैड curated and one song जब कम पड़ रहा था तो जग्गी suggested मधानिया. He taught me the song on set and that's how he did, and then he ended up being in backing vocals. So that's Jaggi.
So I think we should give a big round of applause for Jaggi first. He's the guy.
तो सोनू सर एक गाना हो जाए प्लीज. इट्स बिन माय ड्रीम टू बी ऑन स्टेज विद यू हियर एंड जस्ट I've seen him perform and he's so brilliant. एक गाना हो जाए प्लीज.
Actually, उसको पता है मैं रात भर सोया नहीं हूँ. I पूरी रात में काम कर रहा था. What we have done this time for you guys, I was a part of the third season of Unplugged, and वहाँ पे मैंने काफ़ी कुछ किया था. कीबोर्ड्स बजाए थे, परकशंस बजाए थे, xylophone बजाया था, बहुत चीज़ें बजाई थी, और जैसे गा रहा था, काफ़ी चीज़ें रोया भी था. इस बार we thought that we do something much more simpler but very profound and warmer. And एक ऐसा genre है जो मैं सुन के बड़ा हूँ. हालांकि मुझको मैंने ये कहा भी है कि मैं उसको एज ए प्रोफेशन फॉलो नहीं करता, बट सुना मैंने बहुत है. वो है गज़ल्स. तो गज़ल्स हमारे खून में है, और ये ऐसा आज के लोगों को अगर ना मिले गज़ल्स का सौभाग्य तो बहुत मतलब दुर्भाग्य है. ऐसी ऐसी चीज़ें लिख चुके हैं लोग, ऐसे ऐसे गाने वाले हैं. सो वी जस्ट वांटेड टू रीइंट्रोड्यूस द ग्लोरी ऑफ गज़ल्स थ्रू दिस रॉयल स्टैग बैरल सेलेक्ट बोल दिया फाइनली. सो हमने इसके थ्रू, बिकॉज इट्स सच अ ब्यूटीफुल प्लेटफॉर्म एंड इट वाज अ वेरी वेरी गुड फीलिंग. Something magical has come out, very divine has come out. I'll sing. उसमें मेहंदी साहब की गज़ल गाई थी मैंने. खुली जो आँख तो वो था न वो ज़माना था. खुली जो आँख तो वो था न वो ज़माना था. दहकती आग थी, दहकती आग थी, तन्हाई थी, फसाना था. खुली जो आँख तो वो था न वो ज़माना था.
Sir, goosebumps, sir. Please, can I give you one more hug, please? Please. Please give me a huge round of applause, everybody. Huge round of applause. Now I'd like to call on stage, and this season, this year, we also have a very famous YouTuber. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Bhuvan Bam. Can we give him a mic? Yeah. So, आज भुवन आया है कि कोई और आया है यहाँ पे?
नहीं, मैं ही आया हूँ. अच्छा, जो लोग नहीं देखते उनको मैं बता दूँ कि मैं YouTube पे एक चैनल है मेरा, बीबी की वाइन्स करके. उसमें मैं 17 कैरेक्टर्स प्ले करता हूँ. एंड म्यूजिक से मैंने शुरू किया था. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले इन अ रेस्टोरेंट. 2 साल मैंने वहाँ रच के बजाया. एंड म्यूजिक हैज़ बीन माई पैशन. आई राइट माई ओन सॉन्ग्स. पर इस सीजन में थैंक्स टू जग्गी भाई, थैंक्स फॉर गिविंग मी दी अपॉर्चुनिटी. मैंने मोहित चौहान साहब का गाना गाया. एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि दिस इज द स्टार्ट विच आई हैव गॉट. एंड eventually next season mein original song.
How nice. See, that's the whole point of a YouTuber. He promotes himself also, he'll tell you a future plan also, he'll tell you everything also. It's amazing. Yes, but please give him a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, we have the Leja girl, Dhwani Bhanushali. So, how does it feel being on this season of Royal Stag Battle Select MTV Unplugged? Practice that. Hold on. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's a very, a lot of words put together to say. I didn't imagine myself doing this a second time, in a row. I did it last year as well. And Juggy allowed me to sing again. I did Lamborghini this time. The song originally has a chill vibe, but we kind of added an R&B soul to it. And I hope you guys like it.
How nice. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Please give it a huge round of applause, everybody. Next up, we have the extremely talented Shahid Malia. Sir, how was it? ऐसी कोई बात है that you remember about this season? You know, जब आपको phone आया that you're going to be doing this season और ये ऐसा कुछ?
इसी कोई खास बताने वाली बात तो नहीं है।
कुछ भी?
हाँ, दूसरा कुछ पूछिए।
See, he's a man of very few words, but when I see him perform, or sing, he's unbelievable. He's unbelievable. Sir, तो आप बात मत कीजिए, आप गाना गाइए 2 लाइन प्लीज। 2 लाइन हो जाए तो बहुत अच्छा होगा।
थैंक यू सो मच। मैं इन सबके सामने मतलब बात कर लूँ वही काफ़ी, गाना मुश्किल हो रहा है मेरे लिए।
अरे सर, क्या शर्माइए मत, क्या है? See, now Jaggi has said means now you have to sing.
गाने के बोल सकता हूँ मैं। सारा जग्गी छड़ के बस तेनू ही है चुनिया, लग के दिल नूं पर फिर भी है अड़िया, वो बह गया हंजवांदा दरिया।
Thank you so much. Thank you. Please give me a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, and now I'd like to invite the extremely handsome, please welcome on stage, after Baki Baate Peene Baad, Arjun Khan Ungo! I always forget how tall you are. It's very intimidating. It's unbelievable.
I keep apologizing to him every time I meet him, saying, "I'm really sorry, I'm so tall."
But I've seen you perform once again. We did a show last month at a college, I remember, and this guy takes people's Snapchats and does what all. I have no idea. But ladies and gentlemen, so tell us what have you done in this season? What is it like this season?
So, firstly, I would like to thank Jaggi. Jaggi bhai, I can't see you from here, but thank you so much for having me.
Yeah.
And MTV, Royal Stag Barrel Select MTV Unplugged. I've rehearsed it a few times before coming on
Royal Stag Barrel Select MTV Unplugged. Season 8, yes.
Yeah. So, I want to thank you guys for having me. It's a huge honor singing alongside, as you can see behind me, the singers who are legendary in the industry, right? So, such a huge honor. I didn't imagine myself being here. And all I want to say is that I've sang one of my own songs. It's called Ayanatu, which I just released last year. And we changed the arrangement, and Kalyan Barua Saab and his team has done an amazing job of showing a side of that song which wasn't there before. So I cannot wait. I cannot wait to show you guys what it is.
I remember when you sang this very song, I think people had tears in their eyes. Could we have 2 lines from the song, please?
I mean, I'd rather you guys see it. No, like Shahid said,
you're breaking my heart, yeah. Don't do this.
It's almost like I'm so nervous to sing alongside, people.
You're breaking my heart. What is this? Now, come on. Huh?
You have no clue how much I listen to your song.
See.
I love this song. So, आप कुछ भी गाओ ना, मजा आएगा.
Guys, that I don't know now. Am I dreaming? I can't believe it, Sonuji. Thank you so much. I can't believe it. But okay, I'll sing 2 lines of Ayanatu. Sorry. तुम कभी ना कहोगे प्यार है हम ही बोले
फिर नहीं जाने देंगे इस दफा तुम जो मिल जाओगे मगर आया ना तू आया ना तू आया ना तू.
I hope someone got that and give it to me on Instagram. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, Arjun Khanango, huge round of applause. Please give this amazing lineup a huge round of applause, everybody. I'd like to invite on stage one more time. Can we have Farzad once again on stage, please? Huge round of applause for him.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone. And it's awesome to see everyone together. I have the honor of showcasing to you a sneak peek. Please don't put it out as yet. Don't let it leak. Do this for honest music. We will be showing you a couple of clips or 2 tracks actually, from the season. Still first cut, so don't put it out. But before that, I think all of you have heard the word Jaggi quite often this afternoon. I've had the good fortune of working with him for many years now. An amazing human being. So I haven't told him I'm going to be doing this, but may I request Jaggi to actually come up on stage, please? So all of you can see what he actually looks like, the guys who don't know who he is. No other. You should check him out. He's actually a musician, like Rekha ji also mentioned, and Sonu ji also mentioned. He's one of our star performers. So I'm going to request Jaggi to actually say a few words. He's a man of very few words, but he needs to say some.
Check. All right. First of all, I'm really, really embarrassing, and thank you very much. I'm saying, you know what? I'm happy that I get to work with. One thing is talent, another thing is beautiful people. They are like beautiful soul, right? So basically, the whole idea is when positive energy meets, right? That's when the good works comes out. And I'm fortunate enough, and thanks to my boss, Farzad Palia, and MTV and Viacom 18, for giving me that opportunity to work with such amazing people and talent, I would say. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you. So many, many more seasons. And without further ado, can we go ahead and we'll show you. I think maybe we should just come to a couple of the sides so we can all watch it together. And here go 2 very special songs. Enjoy them.
Nice little photograph. Yeah? Yeah, let's have a photograph, ladies and gentlemen. So in the meantime, one second. Arjun, one second, thank you. So in the meantime, since we have all of you here, I think what we should do is we should, break the internet. Since we have all these amazing superstars here, I think we should take one selfie also with everyone here. That'll break the internet. What do you think? What do you think, sir? Yes? Yes. Oh, kya baat hai. Let's take one giant selfie with everyone. Please give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Camera, yes. You can put your hands up, smile, give a big smile, yes. Fantastic. Yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's take the pictures. Yes. So I have one more request. Can I also take a selfie with everyone out here? Yes, everyone. I think this selfie is going to break the internet. I think your selfie will, but still. All right. Please give them a... I think we need some noise also from the audience. Where is everyone? Come on, everybody. Put your hands together. All right. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen.